Hey everyone, and welcome to Wealthy Affiliate. I am Kyle. I am the co-founder of Wealthy Affiliate, and I'm going to be doing most of the videos here at Wealthy Affiliate. So you'll hear a lot more from me as you move through the training and as you're building out your business here within Wealthy Affiliate. So in this video, what I would like to do is give you a complete walkthrough and show you around and acquaint you with the platform here at Wealthy Affiliate. There's a lot going on, and I don't want you to feel overwhelmed. So I'm going to give you a quick tour of the platform and explain the various elements from your dashboard to the training, websites, live events, your research center, and all the mediums in which you can get help here at Wealthy Affiliate, and there's a lot of them. So without further ado, I'm going to get right into things here, and I'm going to be walking you through the platform. So when you log into Wealthy Affiliate, you're going to be taken directly to the dashboard. This is your activity dashboard. At the top here, you can see Welcome to Wealthy Affiliate. You can click here to get started. That's where you can go to get your training. And down here is going to be all the activity taking place within Wealthy Affiliate. We're a very active community, and there's all sorts of things going on at any given second within the platform. And as things happen within Wealthy Affiliate, you're going to see notifications like this that help you out and help you navigate through the platform. As you can see, it just indicates that I just got a notification. You'll likely see that at some point as well as you start to immerse yourself here. I'm just going to click later for now. At the top, there's a header that explains how to get started in terms of your profile. You can upload an image, add a description, add your goals, and there's the getting started training directly accessible through there. And you can upgrade to premium if you ever want to within the header as well. If you click this button, it's going to explain the differences between the starter membership and premium, something that you should be knowledgeable of, because the premium membership, there's nothing like it in the world. It's the most advanced platform and the most comprehensive and well-supported platform in the world for creating and growing a business. And I think you're going to really come to appreciate that as you immerse yourself here at WA. Down the side, you're going to see the main menu, dashboard, training, websites, live events, research, and live chat, and then your help center. Along the top, you're going to see a menu as well. If you click these, it's going to pop open the sub menus. We're going to be getting into those as we move through this walkthrough as well. But these are also quick links where you can go to certain platforms here within Wealthy Affiliate. And yeah, that's basically the very, very high level overview of the platform here. And as we move forward through this walkthrough, I'm going to be getting much more intimate with the various aspects of the platform here. The first one being how to get rolling with your business. Oh yeah, one last thing I want to mention. If you click this is your profile over here. Once you add an image, it will show your image there. But you can see my profile, my blog, your credit dashboard system tour. So there's all sorts of things within that as well. You can manage your account settings there, and you can, if you need a tour of Wealthy Affiliate at any time, I recommend that you click this button here. It's quite important that you know the various elements of Wealthy Affiliate, and you'll naturally come to understand and utilize this with efficiency as you continue to move forward and use the platform itself. But if you need an overview at any point, simply click that tour within the menu, and you can walk through all the various elements, and it will break down things and explain them for you. So if you're new to this and you're not quite sure what something is, I recommend you go through this. It's a very useful tool, and it will walk you through the system. So I recommend you use that. And next, we're going to talk about how to get started with your training, and I'm going to be explaining that. Within this dashboard at the very top, you're going to see a Welcome to Wealthy Affiliate and a Get Started Here button. So that's where you'll go to get started right away. But to access the Getting Started training at any time, you can do so within the side menu to the left under training, you're within the first module here under online entrepreneur certification. So that's the core training here. There's something called affiliate bootcamp, which we'll be discussing as you move through the training, but you want to get rolling within the online entrepreneur certification. And below, you're going to see that you're within course 1, level 1 of the training. And you click the continue here. So this is a smart button, and it's going to take you back to your last completed task within the training. So the last lesson that you were working on in essence. So if I click here, it's going to take me to the training. And there you go. So I'm in the training here, and you're likely watching this video because you're within the first lesson of the training, because the video is within that first lesson. At the bottom, there's going to be tasks, and as you click off these tasks and complete them, it's going to show progress, and is also going to show progress, within the getting started section here of the training. So as you move through the training, this progress bar is going to move across, and you can see after you check off the first 3 tasks, you're 11% complete here. So that is it's a really neat feature, because then you can see your progress within the training. Down the right hand side, you're going to be able to see all of the tasks and lessons within that particular course, and of course the actual substance and the material is down the middle column here. You go through this, you watch the videos, and then you're going to be tasked to do something. So the beautiful part about this is that you're going to be in essence building your business as you're being educated about it. So you've probably heard the concept earning while you learn, and that's something that we are full proponents of, and we like to teach people, because you don't want to learn something and then 2 months later try to go back and implement what you've learned. You're going to be implementing things as you move through the training. Down below the training, you can ask questions as you're going through. So if there's something that you don't understand, simply write a question here. As a starter member, you have the ability to ask questions for the first 7 days of your membership. So you can get premium help from the community. You're going to see that there's a lot of premium members and a lot of really expert people here helping others out. And that's something that we are advocates for. So you can assure that if you ask questions here, you're going to get a response. And there's also an ask a question button down here. I'm going to be getting into all the aspects of help as I do move forward, but that's how you get rolling with your business. And as you move through the training, you mark off all the tasks, you click on next lesson here. It's going to take you to the next lesson. Now, if I go back to the websites menu, the training menu, and I click continue here, that's automatically going to take me into the second lesson, which happens to be understanding how to make money online. So it's going to be walking you through the entire process and how it works. That's the natural lesson. So work through this at your own pace. It's not a race, but it is very comprehensive. And I think you're going to be really excited. By lesson 4 alone, you're going to have your very own niche website up and running, and you're going to be building that out in a way that you're going to be creating an actual business within the online world. So a lot to look forward to, and that's the training element of Wealthy Affiliate. So the next thing I'm going to be walking you through is the websites aspect, because websites are a big aspect of building an online business, and I really want to emphasize the incredible platform you have access to, not just on the website creation side of things, but also the hosting and the technology behind it. So over the last 13 years, we've vastly evolved Wealthy Affiliate. We're constantly innovating and creating new technology. And one of the core platforms here at Wealthy Affiliate is the website platform. And a website is instrumental into any successful business online. So you want a high quality and reliable platform for creating and managing your websites. And that is exactly what you have here. If you click websites within the side menu, it is going to open up a menu with all of the platforms available to you within the website platform, which is known as the Site Rubrics platform. You don't really need to know that, but that's what it is. At the top here, you're going to see Site Manager. This is where you're going to go to manage all your websites. Site Builder. This is where you're going to go to build your websites, and it literally takes 30 seconds to create a brand new website. You're going to be walked through that as you move through the training. You can buy your own domains here. Is very efficient, and the domain service here it includes absolutely everything. A lot of the other services out there have all sorts of upsells. The domain service doesn't have any of that. So you can purchase your own .com, your .net, .org, whatever sort of domain. We have a writing platform here at Wealthy Affiliate that you are going to be using to write all of your web content. It's going to lead to a lot of efficiency. There's a lot of features within that platform that allow you to not only write with efficiency, but accuracy in terms of grammar, spelling, sentence structure. There's media that you can quickly and easily insert. You have access to over 1 million images as a premium member, high definition images that you can use in any way that you want on your site. And then there's SEO features that are going to help you gauge your content in respect to rankings, as well as many other. And we'll be getting to that as we move through the training. Site comments, site feedback, and site support. Those are all premium services. So you'll have access to those amazing services when you go premium. Site comments is for getting website engagement going on your website, which is important for rankings in Google and other search engines. Site feedback is community-based feedback on your website. So it can help you improve your website very quickly by getting feedback from others. Site support is 24/7, 365 support that goes directly to server administrators, and they help you with any hosting issues or technical issues related to your website. So that is very powerful. Average response time is literally within 5 minutes on a typical basis. And then there's some quick buttons over here. As you build websites, you'll see them show up here. And as you write content on site content, the articles will show up here. So these are buttons that you can use to quickly build a website or create an article. So that is the website platform. And as you dig into any of these sections, there are features everywhere and really advanced features. So as you build a website, you're going to have things that protect your website in terms of reliability, security. In terms of powerful, it's on some of the most powerful servers available in the world, and even as a starter member, you're getting a lot of these services associated with your websites. As premium, you're going to get a lot more, and you're going to have a lot more features to choose from, a lot more themes to choose from. But as I mentioned, that's going to be walked through in detail as you move through the training. So rest assured that you are in good hands here in terms of the website platform. As a starter member, you get 2 free websites, so you can build 2 free websites. And then as a premium member, you're going to get many more. You're going to have the ability to host your own domains and build up to 50 different websites, along with a lot of other features. So that's a quick walkthrough of the website platform. The next thing I want to cover are the live events, because these are a lot of fun, and they take place every week, and they're very educational. Live classes or live events are a very big component of Wealthy Affiliate. They take place at least once per week, and if you click on this button over here, you're going to be able to see all the past live classes that have taken place and any up and coming ones as well. They cover basically every topic across the internet world in terms of creating a business online, everything from local marketing to SEO, repurposing your content, niches, case studies, hot seats, and these are all value-based. We never promote anything within live classes. And there's at least one live class every week, and it will take place on Friday afternoon. You can watch replays. They're available usually within hours, and you can watch all the replays as many times as you want. And I think there's close to 400 hours of past live classes that you can watch, each of them being at least an hour in length, with communication involved, and you can ask questions within them. So really powerful stuff, and it's going to really help you round out your knowledge. And this is very expertise knowledge, and it's going to advance you in a lot of different ways within the online world in terms of marketing strategies and techniques. So very useful stuff. It is a premium only platform, but it is all completely available to you if you do decide to go premium down the road, and is, no promotions, and very useful. And you're going to be able to see upcoming events that are taking place, and you can take part in all of them as a premium member. So I just wanted to run through the live events and explain what they are, because I know people absolutely love that format of training. And as the events are going on, you can discuss and interact with others, as well as the educator that's teaching the actual content. So live video straight to your computer right here within Wealthy Affiliate. So the next thing I'm going to get into is the research platform. It's a very sophisticated research platform for researching niches, keywords, and help analyzing websites, spying on competition. There's all sorts of features available within the research platform. The next section I'm going to discuss is the research platform. This is known as Jaxi, which is the brand name of this platform. It's also an external product, but it's included here within both your starter and premium membership. There's different membership levels, but you get access to unlimited searches and all of these platforms within your premium membership. You can check them out here by clicking upgrade to premium, or within the Jaxi dashboard. You can find out more details in respect to how Jaxi works and all of the available platforms. So you can perform keyword searches here, and it's going to provide you with keyword data, which is very important in terms of your search engine marketing as well as pay-per-click marketing. So keyword research platform is a state-of-the-art platform provided to you here within Wealthy Affiliate. It gives you full access to competition data, traffic data, and even domain data. So you have access to that as a starter member, and then there's 7 other platforms here that you will have access to as a premium member. SiteRank, you can track your rankings in Google, Bing, and Yahoo, and you can track them over a period of time. You can automate this in the higher levels of the membership. My keyword lists, you can create and manage all of your keyword lists. Search analysis, you can analyze your competition, discover SEO trends. Very powerful tool. Alphabet Soup will literally allow you to uncover millions of niches and keywords within your particular niche or industry. Brainstorm HQ allows you to come up with concepts. It gives you ideas as to what's trending online. Very cool platform. Affiliate program search, you can search and find affiliate programs. You can sort them by which programs are paying out. You can search based on niche or keywords related to affiliate programs. So that's a very useful platform as well. And niche keyword lists, we provide you with regularly with keyword lists of low competition keywords across a wide breadth of different niches. So this is the research platform that you have access to here at Wealthy Affiliate. It's going to give you incredible insights and allow you to truly uncover any niche and become lucrative within it. If you understand proper research and you have access to a platform like this that can help you with research, it's going to really expand your opportunity and lead to far more success. So that's Jaxi. The next thing I want to cover is the help aspect here at WA. There's a lot of it, and I'm going to be diving into that next. Within Wealthy Affiliate, you have several ways in which you can get help. As a starter member, you're going to have access to communication and help within the first 7 days of your membership, where you're going to be able to communicate with experts within the community, your coaches, even myself and Carson are completely available to all members within the community. One way to get help is through the live chat. So on the dashboard here, on the right-hand side, you can jump into a live chat. You can say hello. You can ask questions there. It's instant. It's very interactive, and it just streams throughout the day. At any given time, there's lots of experts in there, or if not, there's someone lurking in the area. At any given time, there's thousands of people on the dashboard or watching a live chat. So you can feel confident that if you ask questions there, you will more than likely get some good help. So I would head there if you need a hand and you want it to happen very quickly. But if there's other types of support that you want, you can access the Help Center, and it's going to break down the different types of support. So click the Help Center button. Site support is premium only. You can see the lock there. That's for technical help relating to your website and hosting help. Again, that's 24/7, 365, and it's going right to our technical experts, which are server administrators. It's not some, hokey help desk that doesn't know what they're talking about and has to forward your questions off to the technical team. This is the technical team. There's an ask a question feature. So if you click that, you can ask a question. This goes out to the community, and you're going to get, varying responses from community members. So it's a good way to ask questions because you can get focused help. And it's not as transient as a live chat, that's just streams through the dashboard. So you'll have record of the communication if you use the ask a question feature. Live chat is obviously what I just discussed for instant help. It's a good way to go in there. And you can also go in there to network. You can meet new people. There's a lot of entrepreneurs here within Wealthy Affiliate. In fact, there's over 1.4 million active members here. So there's a lot of people at any given time here within the community. You can network, you can make friends, you can interact with experts, people with running very successful businesses online, and you'll frequently see even Carson and myself in the live chat helping folks out and interacting with other members. Private messages, you can communicate in private with any member as a premium member, including myself and Carson, along with people that may have referred you into Wealthy Affiliate. So that's completely accessible to you within premium, and you can communicate personally and get direct help. Premium coaches, so depending on who invites you here to Wealthy Affiliate, if you've come through another website or someone's recommended it to you, they'll naturally be here within your coaches. Carson, myself, may also be here. You can simply click on this, send them a message, and leave a message if you have a question or you just want to say hello. Feel free to do that. And below that, you can see the top helpers today. These are people interacting within Wealthy Affiliate, and you have direct access to them as a premium member. You can see the locks there as well. But even as a starter member, you have an incredible amount of help here within the community, and these are the two facilities for getting help. On top of this, if I go to the training, click the training icon, and then go to the Getting Started training, you're going to see within the Getting Started training that there's an Ask a Question button. You can click that, ask your question as you're going through the training, and add it. And it adds it down within the questions here, so you can manually go down here and ask your question here. And as you can see, there's tons of interaction, by the minute going on down here, people asking questions, people getting help, people introducing themselves. So feel free to ask questions, and I actually encourage it as you're moving through the training. There's lots of help here, but do know at the same time that as you move through the training, a lot of questions are likely going to be answered because the training is very thorough and it's going to be walking you through the process of creating and setting up your business online. So that's the help element here at Wealthy Affiliate. Before I leave you today, I want to just give you a bit more of an overview of the navigation, and before I finish off, I'm just going to explain the differences of the memberships here at Wealthy Affiliate. So before I leave you today, I want to run you through some of the other menus here. At the top, you can see that there's quite a few buttons up here. So I'm going to explain what those are. If you click the pencil-looking icon here, these are associated with content creation. So you at Wealthy Affiliate, you have your very own blog that you can write about your experiences, share your successes, ask questions even. So this is completely up to you, and it's your blog. We just do not allow any promotions there, so don't come here and start spamming the community, as we are a promotion-free community. But you can certainly share your experience, and as you go through the activity dashboard, you're going to see a lot of people sharing their experiences, tips and tricks, things they're learning online, their network, all sorts of things they're going to be sharing within their blog at Wealthy Affiliate. You can create training. If you are a premium member for 3 months, you can actually create and earn revenue from providing training. You'll see regular training added from community members. We are, sort of an open education project where people can add training about whatever they like associated with the online business world. So that's really awesome. You can write an article from up here. So if you want to create an article and cite content, you can initiate it from here. You can also initiate a website build from here, and that takes you directly to the website builder. And you can find a domain here, search and buy domains directly from this menu as well. This next button is a W. It's the credit platform here at Wealthy Affiliate. So if you go here, this is your credit dashboard. You can use credits to buy all sorts of things, site comments, site feedback, and site domains. And you earn credits as you create training. As you refer people to Wealthy Affiliate that buy domains, you get a credit for that. And as you refer people to WA that end up setting up their accounts, you earn credits for that as well. You can buy credits and then use them towards purchasing domains, site comments, feedback. So those are things that you'll be able to do as a premium member. This is the affiliate menu. So this covers the entire affiliate program. We have one of the most lucrative affiliate programs in the online world, and you can take advantage of this as a starter or a premium member. And these are all the features associated with that affiliate program. We also run an incentive program for all of our affiliates. We run an all-inclusive, completely all expenses paid trip to Las Vegas every year, where we invite anyone that's achieved the 300 premium sales incentive. So if you're promoting Wealthy Affiliate, you can achieve that super affiliate status and get invited down to Vegas to hang out with some of the top affiliates in the world. Have a blast. It's a great time. So that's available to you here as a starter and a premium member. Right here, these are the notifications. As you can see, I have a notification here. I can click on that, and I can communicate with whoever's left me a message. There's all sorts of communications as well as notifications that will come into this tab. And when you do get notifications, you'll see a little red number up here. Same with the other ones. As you start to see activity within those, it will show you notification numbers up above. And the last one, you can see another one was just added there. And the last one is a private messaging platform. I already explained that is premium only. So you'll have access and the ability to communicate privately and get personal mentoring and support directly from fellow members within the community, and myself included within the premium membership. So that's that side menu. Over here is your account profile. You can go and visit your profile. You can visit your blog. You can go check out the system tour. If you ever want to get reacquainted with the platform here at Wealthy Affiliate, that's a great place to go. You can access your credit dashboard from there. You can see everything that's included within premium. So that's something I recommend you check out, and you'll be able to see the differences between the two memberships here at Wealthy Affiliate. You can go to your account settings, update your password, your email, anything associated with your profile. This is also where you can manage your payment settings and that sort of thing. And you can also log out here down at the bottom. And that's the full tour of the platform here at Wealthy Affiliate. I know I've covered a lot and I haven't, dipped into all the specific platforms here, but as you move through the training, we're going to get even more well acquainted with obviously all the platforms here, and you're going to be utilizing them to build out your respective business in any niche that you want. There's so much opportunity on the line these days, and we're going to help you harness that and take advantage of that within Wealthy Affiliate. You have an all-inclusive environment, everything you need to create and grow a business online, including the support every step of the way. So again, welcome to Wealthy Affiliate. I'm Kyle. You'll see me throughout the community interacting, helping others out, and likely even helping you out. If you have any questions about any of the material covered here within this walkthrough, please leave them below, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. See you around.